Joining us now are Johnny Depp lawyers Camille Vasquez and Benjamin Chu. And a quick disclosure, my husband has done consulting work for the Depp legal team, but not in connection with this interview.
Ben Chu, Johnny's lawyer, busted Elaine's claims that some evidence had not been allowed in court, like therapist notes that could have helped Amber win. Ben stated that the evidence that should have been presented was allowed and presented, and that the judge was fair to both sides of the case. He stated that Elaine saying they had a mountain of evidence was BS because all their evidence was presented in court and everyone could see that Johnny's evidence was overwhelmingly supporting Johnny's claims to be true. Elaine had also claimed that the verdict had been based on public opinion and that the jury watched social media ongoings before they made the judgment, and that's why Johnny won over Amber. Ben said this was all lies because the jurors had been diligent and had worked hard, listening to both parties and looking at all the evidence before they made their verdict. It's common knowledge that jurors are advised to not look into social media while the case is ongoing, and if by mistake they say something related to the case they are working on, they are advised to not use it as base of their verdict but to use court proceeding as the base of their verdict. So this means Elaine had called the jurors liars and frauds, and that's so disrespectful. She had stated that the judge had been biased, and it was confirmed by Johnny's lawyers that she was not, even as viewers noticed that she was not a biased lawyer. Elaine had claimed that all that social media and public support for Johnny had been campaigned by one of Johnny's people, and that's why Amber was not able to win, but Johnny's lawyers also proved this to be lies. We all saw for ourselves and heard with our own ears who the culprit of abuse was and who was telling the truth or lying. Amber's team had claimed that Amber had used the Milani cosmetics to cover up bruises she sustained from Johnny every single time when they were together. But a Milani worker exposed them for lying and showed us that the said correcting kit was launched in 2017, a year after Amber and Johnny had divorced. So even if she claims there was a campaign, she put herself under fire for lying, and we found out. She also had a different story to her sister regarding the staircase incident, and that's also part of how we knew she was lying. Amber had stated that Johnny was hitting her when her sister Whitney decided to come between them, and that's when Johnny pushed Whitney down the stairs. She claimed that she punched him because she could remember Johnny had also pushed his ex-girlfriend Kate Moss downstairs. When Whitney came to the stand to testify, she claimed that she was going up the stairs towards her sister when Johnny rushed up behind her and hit her on the back. That's when Amber shouted at him to not hit her sister, and she punched him. From these two stories, the one thing that actually seems true is the fact that Johnny received a good hit from Amber. Kate Moss, being such a private person, decided to come to court and tell the truth on whether Johnny had ever pushed her down any stairs, and she said no. So with or without a campaign, it is quite clear that Amber was lying, and there is no way in going to support someone who is blatantly lying. We also heard with our own ears that Johnny was a coward who always ran whenever there was a fight between him and Amber. This man would see Amber getting angry and all he could do was run and hide. And then you expect the jury or the public to believe that he was capable of beating Amber? No way! Amber's lawyer Elaine was lying to the public, just like her client had done, and it's just so unprofessional. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.